My life is like a trail, it's full of bumpy stones. As I walk this railway, I'm looking to go home. Now a train is running by, I hear it somewhere down below. It's going to some place I told myself I'd never go. Oh, this railroad, it's full of nails and holes. This railroad, I'm walking down so slow. That train, it passed me by about 30 miles, give or take. Faster than my walking speed, better hurry so I'm not late. For I can see him in the end, smile on his face. It looks to me somehow I've ended back up in this place. Oh, this railroad is full of nails and holes. This railroad, just please bring me back home. With death I had a meeting, scary as it may be. But fear was not an option, I just had to wait and see. I looked into his eyes, which were staring back at me. I felt him in my soul, but that's where I found the key. Oh, this railroad, it's full of nails and holes. This railroad is made of flesh and bone. For I made this man a deal which he could not turn away, although he had to promise me he'd return another day. Oh, this railroad is full of nails and holes. This railroad, I'm walking down